The air we breathe kills more people than wars. Sugar is a bigger killer than gunpowder. Climate change will be deadlier than ever this year. The World Health Organization has made some stunning claims in its new report. Here's more.
Nine out of 10 people breathe polluted air every day. In 2019, air pollution was considered to be the greatest environmental risk to health by the World Health Organization. Polluted air has claimed 7 million lives every year and affects over 1 billion people. The second biggest threat to your health will be non-communicable diseases. Diseases such as diabetes, cancer, and heart disease are collectively responsible for over 70% of all deaths worldwide. It translates to roughly 41 million people. The world will face another influenza pandemic, which is the third biggest threat to global health. The only thing we don't know is when it will hit and how severe it will be. This year's prominent strain is H1N1 or swine flu. Health crisis in vulnerable places is number 4 on the WHO list of biggest global health threats. Fragile settings exist in almost all regions of the world, and that's where sustainable development goals remain unmet. According to World Health Organization, the 5th biggest health threat this year stems from antibiotic resistance. Resistance to antibiotics is a result of overuse of antimicrobials in both people and animals, which can lead to inability to prevent infection. It would in turn compromise surgery or procedures such as chemotherapy. The report states that India is the worst abuser of antibiotics in the world. The use of antibiotics in India went up to 103% between 2000 and 2015. In 2018, the Democratic Republic of Congo saw 2 separate Ebola outbreaks, both of which spread to cities of more than 1 million people. Ebola and other high-threat pathogens hold the 6th place on the WHO list. Weak primary healthcare and vaccine hesitancy are at the 7th and 8th place. Systems with strong primary healthcare are needed to achieve universal health coverage, a system many countries lack. Dengue has been a growing threat for decades. It can be lethal and can kill up to 20% of those affected. That's at number 9. The progress made against HIV has been enormous in terms of getting people tested, providing them with antiretrovirals, and providing access to preventive measures such as pre-exposure prophylaxis. Efforts like these is what has brought HIV to the 10th place on the list of biggest global threats to the world health. The list is long and the threats are grave, but the World Health Organization will be working closely with countries to keep a check on these growing threats. Bureau Report, World is One.